What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stephanie, and today I am at the Grand California Hotel in a room right now with my guy Adam. What's up? Look at your outfit though. Adam is actually the best at matching outfits in the entire world, especially white, full white outfits. The best. We are here for one night with Sunglass Hut, so we're gonna meet downstairs with everybody in just a second, but I want to give you a little tour of our room. So I am currently at the front door. Walk in. Got a nice little mirror over here. The downstairs, or like the actual main lobby of this hotel, is so freaking beautiful. We have this little Keurig and, oh, nothing in the fridge. That makes sense. You don't want to put booze in a Disneyland hotel. We got, oh, here's the Keurig stuff right here. I love it when hotels have like coffee there for you. Pretty standard bathroom over here too. Oh, we have this like H2O products. These are some good stuff right here. And we got a rain shower, y'all. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, look. We have a little Chippendale here. So freaking cute. I always think of like Chippendales though. Or is it, what is it?
Yeah, the nail.
Yeah. When I was, they really ruined that for me. Here we have the bed set up. Oh, I didn't even see there's like a little painted thing over back there.
Oh, and it matches our key cards.
Yeah, that's so cute.
I'm just over here blending in.
Yeah, you really are. Big TV, nice desk area, and then this is actually like a Murphy bed. Kind of cool. I don't even know how that works, but yeah, pretty standard room. And well, our view is of a parking lot. Enough of the tour though. Let's go downstairs, get our grub on. All right, just got to our breakfast with Sunglass Hut. Getting some good food in. They actually gave us an Instax. So generous. This is really cute little sparkly on theme strap. And some extra film. Hell yeah. Here are the new Ray-Ban Disney collaborations. How cute is that? A little Mickey on the side. It's a pretty classic frame here. Actually looks pretty cute.
Oh yeah. It actually works.
It actually works really well.
That's good.
Adam and I are sharing this salmon BLT, which is an amazing idea. I've never had one of these before.
And a veggie paella.
Veggie paella.
I already started eating some.
Is it good?
It's good. It just has like 2 olives like right there.
Oh no.
It did. It almost did.
It almost did. They only gave you one. Getting some sunglasses. There you go. Okay. Ooh. Always like me a good Ray-Ban box. Oh, so cute. The case is red too. What do y'all think here? Got a little Mickey on the side. Classic Ray-Ban style Wayfarer. It's sick, I like it. Wait, those look really good on you. That's like such a nice style for your face.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Every style's good for my face.
I know. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Just entered the park. It has truly begun. I'm wearing a beanie. I'm wearing the hat. And the sunglasses on top. The classic castle pig. Everybody's getting it. Adam got a bubble machine. Oh yeah. Whoa. But it is very powerful. We're about to walk through the Sleeping Beauty's castle. Sick. Let's go. Some of this is pretty creepy.
No, it's really cool.
Oh wow. That is so cool. Whoa.
Like in the background and everything.
Yeah. Woo! It is bright. This apparently is a very short ride. You actually go up pretty tall for a whoa! We, I think, are going to meet Mickey right now.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Mickey's.
Oh yeah!
Mickey Mouse! This is actually like a room.
Yes! Hello! here with the one and only Mickey
either
Mouse. Hey yo, Adam, you got anything to say? To Mickey?
Oh
Big
boy.
Fan? Big fan? Oh boy! It's Matterhorn time, y'all. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Born ready, motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Hey, that was great. Didn't get wet.
Good ride. Real good ride. It's a classic. I've never been in the front too. It's pretty fun. Adam loves his bubbles. Y'all already know, if you come to Disneyland, you have got to get this dog. You gotta get the dog. Ooh, we are now on the California Adventure side. Oh, look, it's Groot. I wish I could meet him. He's getting ready for a dance off right now. Oh, Groot. Okay, the new Guardians of the Galaxy Tower of Terror ride. Hell yeah. Oh my god, they decorated it so cool. All the little creatures and stuff inside of these little capsules. Oh no, they're all facing that way.
What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Okay, I
Yeah. Guardians of the Galaxy was so crazy. It was so fun. Tower of Terror is always insanity. Highly recommend going to that one. We are in Cars Town now. What is it called?
Cars Land.
Cars Land.
It was beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
Casual cruising.
Oh my god! We're gonna head back to the hotel for 1 second, but we're gonna come back.
We're gonna check out the California Food and Wine Festival.
Yeah.
Here at Disney California Adventure.
A couple hours later, it's raining right now, so I put my hood on top of my beanie and put the hat on top of that. That works, right?
What?
This works?
Oh yeah, it works. It looks good.
We're going into the Little Mermaid ride, which I've never done. And there's 0 lines. That honestly is creeping me out. Look at her eyes.
No, and like how she moves. Like,
Oh, this is weird. No, thank you. No, thank you. You got any stains, Adam? Huh? I don't see anything. Good job.
no, there's stains all over here.
Oh.
These are the jeans that Justin puked on my lap in
Shut
Brazil.
up. Adam and I are heading over to this very fancy looking bowling alley with a bar. This is a straight up fancy sports bar in Disneyland. That's crazy. We came back into the main park. It stopped raining, kind of, but we are literally going opposite of everybody right now.
Oh yeah, we're going into the park.
Like, everyone is leaving. I haven't stayed at Disneyland since I was a kid, so there's always this stress about leaving before everybody leaves, or, you know, catching the tram, or you don't want to be where all the crowds are.
We don't got to do that tonight.
No, because we're staying.
We get to stay till we get kicked out.
Yeah.
In fact, we're gonna sleep in the castle tonight.
It's right there. That is home sweet home. right there in the distance. We're in line for Peter Pan. I don't think I've ever been on this ride, so.
Because it's a long ass wait.
Yeah. We both have to pee bad.
Pee so bad.
We're almost there.
If you see me, pee me.
Go for it. Oh, okay. My bladder's so full right now.
So is mine.
Oh God. Hello, doggy. What the heck? This is so cool. Whoa. You're doing this to me, bro. If I pee on this ride, it's your fault. I'm just kidding. I got it. Oh my God. It's officially midnight. I've never stayed at Disneyland this late. It's pretty cool, and I'm really happy that it rained. Everything looks so beautiful. Look at that. Just look at that.
Lights just.
That's gorgeous. We're gonna head back to that, what is it called?
Splitsville,
Splitsville, USA.
My hometown.
We're going back there now.
Hi.
Bye. Good morning, everyone. Last night we ended up just coming back to the room and taking a bunch of really funny photos. Actually, let me show you. Which one's the funniest one?
There's a couple.
I know. I'm really into this one. I am changing the channel. There's Adam's feet and I'm looking confused. Here's a couple really cool jumping ones. And then here's Adam's jumping ones. Took a couple attempts. There's that one. And then this one. Adam, for some reason, has a bunch of sriracha packets with him. So I did a cool sriracha photo shoot. And he's holding a mug. I think those are the best ones for sure. This one, definitely my fave though. We are actually just gonna be heading home now. So I think we're gonna end this Disneyland vlog here. It was a pretty epic day and night. I'm stoked that we actually stayed here tonight because it really allowed us to like go to the park until the very, very closing. That was really cool. Haven't done that ever, I don't think. I feel super lucky that we were able to do that. Did you have fun?
I had the best time. I'm still having a good time.
Yeah, we're still having a good time. We're gonna go out, get some breakfast right now. But yeah, I'm gonna close it out here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, please make sure to subscribe below. Come join the sisterhood. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.